Okay, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to have a little thing. What is it called, little brother?
Rocky Rails.
Yeah, so we're doing Rocky Rails today. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button as your iPad breaks, or your computer, or something else. But don't smash it too hard, so. Okay, let's get this started.
Wait, there has to be someone driving the
No. So we're going to our mom's bedroom, then we're going all the way back.
So you can see our mom's bedroom.
Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. So it's going.
Oh, I forgot about the tablet.
Let's get it started. Let's get. This should be one of your videos, Wyatt.
Yes.
But you don't have your own YouTube channel. You have to have your own YouTube channel. Let's go to the go gear.
A car.
Oh no.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're back on camera. Okay, now we're coming back with the train.
I know, we have to unload the car.
Oh, yeah. Hurry, unload the cars. Now let's get back. Remember all those turns and curves? Oh no!
Now
Yeah, set it back
to bring a breakdown train.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, people.